What's up guys, my name's Kaylin. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are making this adorable rubber ducky cake. If you're new here, welcome to Crafty Treat Adventures. I do craft videos, cake videos, just love doing creative stuff and would love to have you as part of my adventure here. So let's go ahead and get started. First up, I just have two 8-inch round cakes. I put a layer of buttercream in between them and then just worked on getting it covered. Usually I would do a crumb coat and chill it and go back and do a second coat, but being the sides are going to be covered, you can just do a thicker layer on the top, and then if there are crumbs on the side, it's fine. Alright, and then once I chilled that for about 10 minutes, we can go in with our graham crackers. I just cut about a quarter of them off the bottom. Just be careful cutting them, they are a little fragile. But I just cut those down to get the right size, put a little bit of buttercream on the back of them, and started putting them around the side of the cake. The last little piece will need cut down a little bit, so just cut it down however big you need it and shove it in there to finish it off. And then next up, I just had this cute ribbon around, so I cut it down to size, just tied it around the cake and put a cute little bow on it. And then this is just clear piping gel. I put some blue gel food coloring in, and that is going to be the water for the top of the cake. So I just put like 2 layers of it on top, and it gives a really cool water effect. Next, we can get started on making our rubber ducks. So this is just a hunk of yellow fondant that I shaped into the body, pulled it up in the back to get like the tail shape in the back of it, and then took a yellow ball of fondant, rolled it into the head shape, and then for the wings, they're kind of like a teardrop shape for the sides, and then I just pulled out the backs a little bit so you could see the wings defined a little bit more. And then for the beak, it's just a small ball of orange fondant that you bend in half, put it on the front, and then I used a little fondant tool to define it a little bit. And then to finish it off, just tiny little balls of black fondant that I put on for his little eyes. And that's all there is to him, and he turned out adorable. So I made 3 rubber ducks and then just went through and put them on the top of the cake. To finish it off, I went in with a medium-sized round tip and just spread out some larger bubbles around the top of the cake. And then I went back in with a smaller round tip and the white buttercream just to pipe some tinier bubbles just to fill everything in on the top a little bit more. And that's it. That's all there is to it. It's a very simple design, but it just looks so adorable, and it's one of my favorite cakes I've ever done. So I was excited to share it with you guys. So if you have any questions, as always, feel free to leave me a comment down below. I'd be happy to answer them for you. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're new here and you want to see my future adventures, click that subscribe button and turn on the little bell for notifications. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next adventure.